So our solution, we have created a platform for smarter water network monitoring and management. And it is scoped to small and medium-sized utilities. It's a very cost-effective solution, and I would say the best in the market that you can find if you are a small and medium-sized utility today. We are scoped to small and medium-sized utilities, but we still have clients that are bigger utilities. For example, the Water Company of Berlin, we are working with Washington today also, but we have several small and medium-sized utilities where our solution is also very effective. We are scoped to the size of the utility in terms of cost, of course, and utilities are paying depending on the size of the network that they are running. So Urban Tech have been helping a lot the development of our company. We went to struggling with local utilities to have a pilot project today with Washington, D.C. We went to trying to solve the problem of a company in Austria to have a deal with Camstrop to get the reading of all their water meters in a project in Mexico. So we have been internationalizing a lot our company and increasing the amount of projects that we have been working on. Well, we have learned a lot of lessons, mainly on the internationalization part. I remember we went in Mexico, and there we received the data of all the clients. Private data, address, and we were like, hey, wait a minute, we are coming from Europe, and there we do things differently. Let's try to make anonymous data. So let's try just to have an ID of the client and put it in there. We went to Washington, and they were using different unit of measurement to the one we are used to use here in Europe. And it was all the time challenging, but at the same time improving a lot the way we have been solving problems for utilities today. Okay, we want to highlight, based on the experience we have had in this project, that at the end of the day, it is not about the software or the hardware or about the artificial intelligence. It is about how to make all those things to combine together in order to provide an engineering solution to the utilities we are working with. We had that experience in Kenya, and we were telling the president when we were meeting him that well, it is about bringing water to people, no matter if we are doing that with smart meters or not. And that is what the engineering part is, and that is what our focus is, to bring technology to solve those kind of problems and to bring water to the people.